Paul here from the Taskr team, and today we're going to be talking about enhanced outcomes. Any task can be marked as closed in the staff app, but sometimes you want to know more about why it was closed. Outcomes let you record that information, and when your staff try to close the task, they'll be presented with those additional options. With enhanced outcomes, you can also give your outcomes an identifier that can be used to start other workflows. Here we have a workflow that creates a task. So if we open up the create a task and go back to configure it, we can see we don't currently have any outcomes. So let's add one. Let's call it subscription setup, and we'll give it the identifier of subscription handled, and we'll add that outcome. So we save that. So now we have, whenever a staff member is closing new tasks that get created for the subscriptions team, they'll have the option of subscription setup or cancelled. With that setup, we can now trigger new workflows when that task is closed. And we're going to do that again using Shopify Flow. So we're going to create a brand new flow and we'll select a trigger. And this time the trigger is going to be a Taskr trigger of order task closed. So we're dealing with order tasks here. So an order task has been closed. And we don't want it to happen on every order task. So we're going to create a condition, or we're going to add the criteria here. And you'll see here we have outcome identifier as a trigger variable. So we choose that, and then we enter the outcome identifier that we set in earlier, which was subscription handled. Then we want to create a new task. And again, it's another order task. And we are configuring it just like any other order task. And we'll save that. With that set up, we're now ready to see our tasks in action. So here we are in the staff app, and I've placed a order with a subscription product. And you can see here that we have one task waiting for our subscriptions team. So we can go into that and load that up. And if we close that task, we can see we have our subscription setup outcome here. So we can click that, and that gets closed as subscription setup, which is great. If we go back to the home page, we can now see there is a shop task here. If we open up our shop task, we can see our order is now here with the shop team. And we have another task here, which we can work on. So we can close this and say, yep, that was closed. And if we go back into the home, we can now see all our tasks are done. In this video, we've recapped how outcomes work with the staff app. Then we have shown how to use enhanced outcomes to glue multiple workflows together to create really powerful automation for your store and teams. This feature is available to customers on our enhanced or enterprise plans, and you can upgrade at any time from the Team Tasks admin homepage. And with that said, thanks for watching and have a really great day.